Welcome to tomorrow's classrooms today. Writing lesson, writing the words of the interview, mastery of the Cambridge IGCSE curriculum requirements, a scaffolded approach to guide students through the process of writing. Let's turn our attention to the reading and writing assessment objectives. First, the reading assessment objectives. Understand explicit meanings, interpret implicit meanings, critically evaluate and develop ideas supported by the text, use relevant information for specific purposes. Secondly, the writing assessment objectives. Clearly express thoughts, feelings, and imaginings, organize ideas and opinions effectively, employ appropriate vocabulary and sentence structures, adapt language register to the context, maintain accurate spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Now let's examine the criteria for reading. Although this is mainly an assessment of your writing skills, your writing will be based on reading text. Out of 25 available marks, 15 are awarded for your reading skills. This means the response provides a thorough evaluation with well-developed and variety of ideas, supporting details with a strong sense of purpose, effectively covering all key points with a convincing voice. Now let's discuss the criteria for writing. The quality of your writing will be assessed out of 10 marks using established writing standards, which demands the response uses a wide range of effective language, is convincing, ideas clearly expressed, well structured, and with minimum errors in spelling, punctuation, and grammar. The acronym interview summarizes the features of interview writing, that is, responding to interview questions through writing. Now, to demonstrate your understanding of the features, match the features with their definitions. The first one is done for you. Pause the video and complete the rest. When finished, check your answers against the answer key. To begin with, let's break down the writing prompt. You will be given a scenario based on the themes of the reading text. You will be told the context, the format of your writing, and who you are writing for. It would help you if you always approach this question by reading the task carefully first and highlighting what is sometimes called a gap analysis, or the 3 W's. First, the genre or what you are writing, the words of an interview. Second, the audience or who you are writing for, the television viewers. Third, the purpose or why you are writing, to share your experiences. You must take note of the bullet points that tell you what to include in your interview. There are certain expectations that remind you how to write your response. In standard handwriting, you should write between 250 and 350 words, 1.5 to 2 sides of A4. Read the text, highlight evidence or information relevant to the focus of each bullet point. Use color coding to differentiate each bullet point. Similarly, read part 2, highlight evidence or information relevant to the focus of each bullet point. Now plan your response. Turn what you have highlighted in the text into bullet points. Summarize the information or explicit ideas into implicit. Take a clue from the bullet points to derive the topic sentence of each of the main paragraphs. Follow a similar process for other bullet points. Collate the explicit ideas, convert explicit ideas into implicit ones, develop a topic sentence from the bullet point for the paragraph. The same process for the third bullet point. List the explicit ideas, transform explicit ideas into implicit ones, think of a topic sentence for the paragraph based on the bullet point. Start writing the words of the interview now. The paragraph references P1 to P7 indicate the sequence of paragraphs and their separation. Begin with the welcome note. Each of the interview questions must start with the relevant sentence starter. Each of the responses to the interview questions should start with the casual starter and the topic sentence derived from the bullet points. Develop implicit ideas from your plan into complete sentences to complete the responses for each bullet point. Conclude with a thank you note and a summary statement that includes the 3 bullet points. The final draft of your interview should be structured somewhat like this. Now it's your turn. Write a 250 to 350 word interview response based on the given prompt, using all the techniques you have learned. Remember, your writing will be judged based on the content and style you create. Read part 1, read also part 2 and write the words of the interview. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more IGCSE lessons and tips. Subscribe for more educational content. Like if you found this video helpful. Share this video with your peers. Comment on the video with your feedback. Let's master the art of writing and excel in Cambridge IGCSE exams.